In this guide, we are going over everything that you need to know about mounts here in Bizarre Lineage on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, mounts let you move around the map a lot faster, which is extremely useful when traveling between bus stops, reaching world events quickly, or getting to boss locations before other players. Instead of just running everywhere, a mount is going to let you travel across the world a lot more efficiently, and right now there's 3 different mounts available in Bizarre Lineage. There's the Plank Skateboard, which is not that good, the skateboard, and the motorcycle. No matter which mount you actually have, you can equip it by pressing the B key. As soon as you go ahead and press the B key, it's going to instantly spawn them out so you can start traveling a lot faster, but to get each one, for example, the Plank Skateboard, you can craft it through an NPC named Gupta, which is near bus stops 1, 2, 15, and 18, usually inside of buildings or small shops. His spawn location does change, so you might need to explore a little bit to find him, but usually he does spawn over by the spawn area. You'll also need 3 common chests, 5 fabric, some leather, and a lucky arrow to do this, and of course, common chests are going to drop from mini bosses or raid battles, while fabric and leather can appear as random chest drops. Lucky arrows can be obtained from raid shops or high rarity chests, and then after crafting the Plank Skateboard, it's going to appear in your inventory and you can just hit B. You can also get it through a quest from an NPC named Zima, who stands near bus stop 1, and this quest is going to require you to win 5 1v1 PvP fights. Depending on the server, it can be challenging. A helpful trick though is joining servers with fewer players, since it makes it a lot easier to complete the objective. You can also ask friends to help you finish the quest faster, which is pretty nice. But the second mount is going to be the skateboard, which is an upgraded version of the Plank Skateboard. To get it, you have to trade your Plank Skateboard and 5 gold coins to an NPC named Horigo, and this NPC is located inside the gym near bus stop 2. He's super easy to find. After you do the trade, the Plank Skateboard is going to be replaced with the faster skateboard mount, and then of course the final mount is the motorcycle, and is the only premium mount in the game. It has to be purchased through the Roblox shop, and you can do this by opening this up, going to the shop, and then of course you can get it just like so in the starter pack. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.